Hello boys and girls, let's do some math. Alright, so we finished up chapter 3. Now we're going to be working at chapter 4. Right, we're going to get our chapter 4 books and we are moving on to some more subtraction. So with subtract, there it is, subtract. Some other words that are going to go along with it. You might hear me say count back. You might hear subtraction sentence. And you might hear me say, or you will hear me say, difference. Difference, right here. So some of these, all of these are related, right? And we're going to use some of them today. Such as we are going to count back to find a difference. Count back to find a difference. So what we're going to do, we're going to count back by 1, we're going to count back by 2, and we're going to count back by 3. Now what does that mean? Let's take a look right here. I have a number line starting from 0 going all the way to 9. Right? 0 to 9. So this is my number line. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to look at first a problem. Say 9 minus 1. What is 9 minus 1? Well, we're going to count back to find the difference between 9 and 1. That's what we're doing with subtraction. You're finding the difference between two numbers. Right? So the difference between these two we find by starting here at 9, counting back 1. So you count back 1. So going back. 1. We land at 8. Alright? 9 minus 1 is 8. How about counting back 2. So we're going to start at 9 and it's going to be minus 2 because we're counting back 2. So find your 9 and count back 2. 1. Remember, you're not counting until you land. 1, 2. What did we land on? That is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. That's a complete subtraction sentence. Now, let's head to count back by 3. 9 minus 3. So how many hops back are we going to go this time? 3, right? 1, 2, 3. We land on 6. 6. Very nice. 9 minus 3 is 6. That's some ways to count back, and that is using a number line, right? Now, you can also do it some other ways. If you didn't want to draw out a number line, I can always draw dots and give them a number amount, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There. I could do it this way, and it would be the same thing, right? 9 minus 1. Start at 9 and jump back 1. Right? If you want to do it that way, that works too. Okay? That's up to you. Once again, you're going to find what's best for you. You can also grab our cubes. When we grab our cubes, here, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. Alright, so I need to get rid of 1. So I have 9. Right? I have 9. Oh. Here he is, Bigsby. Ready? Here you go, boy. Alright. Might as well just feed it to him by now because he's just coming around and taking them. So we have 9. And we want to count back 1. So all we do with that, take 1 off. There, I counted back 1. Now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 9 minus 1 is 8. Or count back 2. 9, count back 2. That means take these 2 away. We're going to find the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. That is the difference. We can do it with 3 also. And that means you just take the 3 away. 9 minus 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. That is the difference there. So this is count back. Count back. Now, what about if I wanted to use a different number? Because all I've been doing is 9. Does this work with other ones, do you think? Like what if I had 8? What if I did 8 minus 1? Well, let's draw out this number line and see. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 count back 1. What does that give us? Gives us 7. Right? Look at that. It works for other numbers also. Cubes also work for other numbers. Let me get 8 cubes. Here's my 10. Let's see. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I have these two. Let's see. Bigsby. Bigsby, come on over. Ready? I've got 2 for you. Okay, here you go. Got him. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 cubes. Count back 1 means you take 1 and you count what's remaining to find the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, just like we found here, 8 minus 1 equals 7. So today you're going to be working with counting back 1, you're going to be working with counting back 2, and you're going to be working with counting back 3. And what that means is if you have a number and you're going to count back 1, you're going to subtract 1, take 1 away. If the instructions are to count back 2, you take 2 away. And if the instructions are to count back 3, guess how many you take away? 3, right? Very nice. So, what we're going to do today in our book, I've got to get to... okay, well, let's see, Super Monkey or HR Ruffin stuff or Barry Allen, if you can hear us, we need more cubes. But luckily, we're just about done with today. So here in our chapter 4 book, we're going to turn to page 154. And here's some counting back. Count back 1, 2, or 3. And we're just going to get a little bit of practice today. We'll get more tomorrow. You're going to start at 1. You're going to go to 12. Okay? And extra practice, if you want to keep up with your addition, you can do 1-minute math and see how much you've improved from last time. Okay? All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me for math. We'll see you very soon.